Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video is day 2 of my Planning for 2021 series. If you missed yesterday, I shared my potential 2021 planner lineup. I'll have it linked in the description box for your convenience, as well as other related videos, any coupon codes I may have for shops that I mentioned, as well as details on the official Chaotic Critic holiday giveaway. There will be 3 winners and the giveaway ends this Friday, December 18th. So again, all information will be in the description box. Be sure to enter if you haven't already. So today's video was actually a request in a previous video that I did, and it was how to incorporate lists into your planner. I am a huge lister. My entire planner is nothing but lists. And when you think of planning, you may be thinking, well, duh, Lakia, of course, I'm making a list of things that I need to do. But some people just may not, understand the level that you can go when it comes to listing. And that is what I'm going to get into. So I not only have my current planner, which is a sketchbook that I turned into my planner. I have notes in here, all that good stuff. So that is that. And that's from Michaels. And then I have my Stylogy. I use this from December of 2018 into 2019. I love this thing. And then this one I used earlier this year, and I have videos on all of these. I'll have them linked in the description box. So when it comes to adding lists, there's a number of ways that you can do it. Of course, you can just do pen to paper, but I love to incorporate other things such as list pads and sticky notes. Or you can simply take a plain piece of paper and use washi tape or clear tape, which I love. You can use that and tape it right into your planner. So getting into some of the list pads that I love, you can get list pads from Target, Michaels, Dollar Tree. Again, taking a regular piece of paper, cutting it down and putting it into your planner. I love list pads. These are from Cloth and Paper, and what I like to do is stagger them. So a great example of that is actually my YouTube list that I have. And this is where I have 3 of these list pad pages taped on top of each other. I could also write directly onto the page, but this maximizes the page for me and I'm able to add more. So I've been loving this. So I have requests, ideas, analytics, all of that in one central location, and I'm able to flip through it like an accordion. And again, if I want to write on the page, I have the flexibility to do that. But having list pads, sometimes some people just like to flip it this way, which I did in my Stylogy, of just having the list pad go like this instead of being able to flip it up. Now I know you can't write on the back, but what you can do is put a sticky note on the back of it and maximize it that way. So I'm all about maximizing space in a planner, especially when you want to get the most out of it, and sticky notes and list pads have been great for me to do that. So I love this new way that I've been incorporating list pads into my planner. And different lists that I'm currently keeping in my planner include stuff for my business as well as YouTube. And then I have like just regular lists of ideas of things that I want to do on TikTok. This is just me writing it directly onto the page. But then when we come over here, I have a sticky note with hashtags, and then I wrote more things that I want to do on TikTok. So that is how I incorporate lists, not just for my personal life, but for other projects I have going on and I don't want to carry more than one notebook. I just put it all in here. I don't have anything sectioned off. The only thing I have tabbed is the current week that I'm on. And if there is a day where I need to have a longer to-do list, then I'll just designate a whole page to that. And if there's anything that I need to reference later or make a note of, I'll write it on a sticky note and plop it right on top, similar to how I did with this. So that is what I have inside of here. here, and that is what is working for me. I also have a lot of just a lot of notes, I would say, this time around inside of this planner, which I am loving. So list pads and sticky notes. My sticky notes, a lot of them are from cloth and paper, but I also love the ones from Dollar Tree. And I use them in a variety of different ways, whether it's making a quick note or actually using it for a list when it comes to categorizing my week, which I started doing in this notebook. So here's a good example. I'd have my bills over here, and then I'd have to do of things that I wanted to do for the week, and then any videos that I had coming up on YouTube for that week, I would just go ahead and put it on a sticky note. So this is another way to incorporate lists, by dividing what it is that you have going on into sections. And this is a lot of deco for some people. This is more of a decorative way to do those lists, where, as you saw with the YouTube one, it was really just layering and staggering those pages. Let's see if there's another one inside of here. So here's another one of, again, that list pad format where you can flip it like this, and then anything that I wanted to pinpoint. This was for like an Instagram thing that I was doing. These are up on my Instagram. I've done these videos. 5 tips to help choose the right planner, as well as writing styles. I did these in planning for 2020, and I posted them, I would say semi-recently, on my Instagram. And then this is just another way from taking the videos that I want to film and then taking videos I already had. When it comes to social media planning, lists are great for that as well. And then coming lastly to my Stylogy. My Stylogy was nothing but lists. Again, I mentioned the list pad. And then what's another one? Down here, you can just take a regular piece of paper, and then on the back you can add more sticky notes to maximize the space. Then this one, this little, where is this one? This is a great one when it comes to organizing different sections of your life, of your day, or if you're cleaning different areas of your house. This is great to break your list into that. I wouldn't necessarily do it like this again. I would give myself more space, but this is an option. And then also this little Dutch window action, which I actually use for journaling, but this is great, like I said, with those sections, to give each section its own designated space. And then the last one is simply just notes of things that I was keeping track of, like my Happy Planner collection and my planner collection in general, and some products that I wanted to try out, and photos that I wanted to edit and things like that. So literally just writing on the page. Incorporating lists into your planner is all about what is convenient for you. If that means that you want to add stickers and then put other stickers on top of it with your list, then go for it. If that means just writing pen to paper, then go for it. If you want to use the sticky note and the list pads, go for it. Incorporating lists are all about what makes sense for you and the lists and things that you need to keep up with. For me right now, in my system, it comes down to my brand, whether it's Chaotic Critic or 15 Roses, and then my personal life. That is the balance that I have inside of here, and this system is working so well. For anything that I need, I literally just write it on a sticky note or on a list pad, and it's been working out great. So I hope that helps when it comes to incorporating lists, of how I've done it, and maybe those tips will help you. I'll have more videos, of course, in the description box, but of course, let me hear from you guys in the comment section. How do you incorporate lists into your planner? Are there certain categories that you gravitate to more than others? Let me know down in the comments. Would love to chat with you there. Again, be sure to check out all the links in the description box for related videos, plus so much more. I'll have the giveaway details, of course, and you can check out my blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you haven't checked out my shop, 15 Roses, head over to 15roses.com, and you can follow me on TikTok and Instagram @shop 15 Roses. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you in day 3 of planning for 2021. Bye, guys.